Hi friends, I am Mahesh Vemla. Now I am going to teach you some simple differentiation problems in easy, tricky way. So how to solve some differentiation problems in easy and simple way, now I am going to tell you. So we all are known that the general formula for differentiation of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. This is what differentiation of x to the power n. Differentiation of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. So for example, I am taking x square. So what is the differentiation of x square? So in the place of n we have 2. So x square differentiation is 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 2 into x. So x square differentiation is for 2x. So this is what we are comparing this question x square in the with this formula. So we get 2x. Okay. Now and also we all are known that differentiation of d by dx of constants, differentiation of constant is equal to 0. So we know differentiation of sin x and differentiation of cos x, and also we know that differentiation of constant that is equal to 0. So now what is my question is differentiation of sin 2x. What is the differentiation of sin 2x? So we all are known that differentiation of sin x and differentiation of 2 that is equal to 0. Now my question is differentiation of sin 2x. So if I solve this differentiation of sin 2x, but I cannot take the 2 as common, 2 as constant. If I cannot take the 2 outside of the differentiation. Why? Because of this 2x is inside the sign, so I cannot take the 2 as common. So what is the differentiation of sin 2x is, if I take, we all are known that the differentiation of sin x is cos x, so I am taking complete 2x as x. So complete 2x as x, so it becomes sin x. What is the differentiation of sin x? Differentiation of sin x is called cos x. Cos x, but in the place of x, I am taking 2x. In the place of x, we have 2x. I am just assuming that 2x as x. So it became sin x. So sin x differentiation is cos x. But in the place of x, we have 2x. So cos x differentiation is not 2x into, but this 2x is also differentiable term. I'm just differentiate that sin 2x, but I'm not differentiation to 2x. So differentiation of 2x is what? 2. So it completely became 2 into cos 2x. This is what the differentiation of sin 2x. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you another example that we know that differentiation of x square is what? 2x, and differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Differentiation of sin x we know, differentiation of x square no. But my question is, what is the differentiation of d by dx of sin square x? What is the differentiation of sin square x? We know that differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of sin x is cos x. But what is the differentiation of sin square x? So now I am going to derive that in easy way. See here, I am going to take this sin square x is x square. In the place of, if you observe this x square and sin square x, in the place of x we have here sin square. This sin square I can also write like this, sin x whole square. I can also write like this, sin x whole square. So in the place of x we have sin x. So if x square differentiation is not 2x, so I am taking overall sin x as x, and x differentiation is 2x. So sin this became, what is this became? So here I am writing, so x square differentiation is 2x. In the place of x I have sin x, so 2 into sin x, 2 into sin x. Okay, in the place of x I have sin x, so I am writing sin x. Okay, and again also we have to do that sin x differentiation. We just did x square differentiation. In the place of x we have sin x, so I am taking sin. So, but I am not did the sin x differentiation. So, what is the differentiation of sin x? Sin x differentiation is what? Cos x. So, this is what? Sin square x differentiation. Sin square x differentiation is what? 2 sin x cos x. Okay, this is nothing but sin 2x. Okay, now I am going to tell you another example that what is the differentiation of log square x? We all are known that log x differentiation. What is the differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Now my question is, what is the differentiation of log square x? We all are known that x square differentiation is 2x and log x differentiation is 1 by x. But what is my question is, what is the differentiation of log square x? So in order to find the log square x, I am taking in the place, if you observe this log square x and x square, in the place of log we have x. in the place of x we have log x, so it became log square x. So what is I'm taking log square x, in the place of x we have log, so I'm taking log x as x, so log x square, it became x square. Okay, in the place of log I'm taking x, so it became x square. So what is the differentiation of x square is 2x. So 2 into in the place of x I have log, so I'm writing here log x. Okay, log square differentiation is what? 2 log x, but I'm also I have to do log x differentiation also. I just did x square differentiation. In the place of x I'm taking log x, and but I'm not did that log x differentiation. So what is the differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so I'm taking 1 by x. So the differentiation of log square x is 2 log x by x. This is what the differentiation of log square x.